Hindu Youth Council President Roy Kuparsin yesterday said that the organization will continue checking the documents of migrant workers in Meghalaya. Demanding immediate implementation of ILP in the state, the HYC president said if not ILP, then the governor should give approval to MRSSA Amendment Bill 2020. While stating that the organization is not against development, he said although it is the concern of the government to do the work, but in the absence of that, the pressure groups have to take up the responsibility.
Aims and objectives of HYC, where we have always made a demand that the state should implement ILP, or in case if they are not able to implement ILP, they should implement the MRSSA Amendment Bill of 2020. And at the same time also, it was the effort of HYC which has made the government to bring that new law, the labour law in the year 2020, in which each and every labourer has to register with the government if they are interstate migrant or if they are interstate labourer.
Tourism Minister